This story I'm about to tell you is about a scary waterfall in Ugep where a maiden danced to the rhythm of the water as a form of sacrifice to the water goddess for the rest of her life. I traveled all the way to the ancient land of Ugep in the heart of Iyako local government area of Cross River State. There's a place here where water never forget its path. Season after season, rain or dry land, Ekumini continue its journey. This is EkuminiWaterfall. Unbroken, uninterrupted, a living stream that refused to disappear. From the road that leads to Ekumini, you can see water flowing from different places, showing that the entire area is surrounded by streams. The stone touches carry story. The tree around it stand like guardians, and the air itself feels different, heavy with silence, heavy with meaning. For the people of Ugep, Ekumini is not just nature, it's present, it is a spirit, it is heritage. This is not a place you rush through. This is a place where you approach with respect. When I first arrived at Ekumini, I was told to wait at the waterfall gates. There were already people there, elders, visitors, all waiting for permission to enter the scary ground.